left behind. We were young, wild under open skies, chasing horizons with open eyes. Yeah, I walk alone where we once ran, through streets that still hold the shape of our plans. The skyline feels like a friend I knew, holding the echoes of me and you. The skyline's glowing, takes me back in time to laughter and long nights we left behind. We were young, wild under open skies, chasing horizons with open eyes. Are you ready?
celestial messengers reminding us that even the smallest rock can have a hand at sculpting worlds. Asteroid.
When I see it